going out with my mom.
We have to explore Korea. First thing to do, party!
Penny, we are going to meet my daddy. My daddy will bring us to Paris.
First time in Korea. Ryan Bang is from Korea. But my question is, why am I paying? You have to treat me.
Yeah, my treat. Let's go.
Wow!
Let's go. My treat. Get my wallet. Get my wallet. My treat.
Charotera ka.
Oh, my treat. Going to gimmick tonight. Korea's night time. Nandun yung daddy ko. Ate Jinky, my daddy is there. Oy, daddy ko nandyan. Apa. Mami, daddy ko.
Hi!
Kumijate daddy ko ah.
Hi, nice to meet you.
I always thank you for you.
Oh, thank you for
Every day.
Thank you. Thank
Because
you.
you mom in Korea.
Mami,
Yes.
thank you.
Really.
Yeah, I love Ryan.
네, 항상 챙겨줘요.
But you look better than Ryan Bang.
여보 잘생겼대.
You're better looking than Ryan Bang. Of course.
Ma'am Jinky. Daddy ko. Alam niyo, pupuntahan natin club. Pinakasikat ng club sa buong Korea. Nandun yung gwapo, yung heartthrob. Sino yun? Si Ryan ba? Oy, nakita niyo na mami ko tsaka daddy ko lahat, no?
Maganda yung mami mo, pogi na din mo.
Ako, dati pinakagwapo sa buong sting. Ano?
Wes.
Bernard asked mommy, Daddy, where daddy? Mommy, oh, daddy, no. Oh.
Yung ganitong mukha ba?
Oh, syempre naman. 저 얼굴 들어갈 수 있는. ano ba yung sinasabi ko kanina? Difficult. Trending ang GGB sa Korea.
Yeah.
Number 1, number 2 sa buong Korea.
Welcome.
Welcome. 왜?
이렇게 알아. 나도 이 동네 모르지 나도.
왜?
I don't know this way.
Daddy, are you sure we're gonna arrive there alive?
Don't worry.
Don't
I
worry.
don't want this to be my first and last Korean trip.
천천히 가.
Daddy, are you mad at me? You plan to kill us. When you go to Manila, I will be the one to drive for you.
I don't go Philippines.
Basta daddy mo.
아이스는 뚱뚱하니.
Sleep.
슬립.
You very sleep and pretty and humorous.
슬림 프리티 휴머러스다. 자루테라래. 자루테라. 거짓말 잘한대.
Ah, of course.
Of course daw. 17km na lang. Kasi 40km eh. Sa hotel to Gangnam. Malapit na tayo sa Seoul. Dahan-dahan. Slowly. Slowly, daddy. Slow.
지금부터 갈 때까지 가보자우 아우
Pa! Go, daddy.
오빠 강남스타일.
Sabi?
ito na tayo. 그 위에 나는 no. Welcome to Gangnam. Wait. most famous DJ in Korea. DJ S2. Mami, malapit na, ito na.
Yay!
Pilipiso. Aling-galing. Kalindasin
Daihongai. Ocho-cho.
Oh. Taylor.
2, 3, 4.
Wait, 형, 잠시만. 야, bro.
Do we have Lugar Republic here? Like, you know, I'm talking to him, but he's not talking to me.
Because of your face.
What's wrong with my face? Now we can do together.
Let's go. Wait, sit down. Sit down. I miss Philippines. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Thank you, DJ Charles, for morning breakfast, dinner breakfast. Facebook star siya.
Facebook star.
Sa Korea.
Ano pangalan?
Kilalang kanina, ang dami babae tumingin sa kanila. Akala ko sa akin. Sinabi ko sa pinsan ko, di ba? Sinabi ko, tinan mo, kilala nila ako. Sabi niya, hindi ikaw siya.
Sila, si Pito ng Pito, pag nagano ng Pito, lusaw yung dulo. Wow, tawang-tawa.
Welcome. Okay. Finish party, going to Myeongdong. Mami, 안녕하세요.
At sumayin nyo rin.
다른 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. 누나 PBS 쇼핑 한 번도 안 했어.
했어. 라코에 가서 했어.
Mami, you're very happy when you shopping.
Yes. This is my life.
shopping, dito club.
Sorry. May tae.
Hey,